Briefly. A lot of things can be listed on this point, but very briefly. Crop rotation is simply growing different crops on the same field according to the different season. So one season we are growing rice, next season we grow a vegetable or we grow a pulse. Pulses are dals of different varieties. You've heard of the dals at home, arhar, masoor. Okay, so those crops are legumes or leguminous plants. They bring back the fertility of the soil. Clear? So crop rotation, interculture is planting any 2 or 3 different crops at the same time on the same field. One will mature faster, will be cut away, the other remains. So that is how the soil is protected. Correct, judicious means correct amount of fertilizers we are using, correct amount of water we are using. And when we are using it properly, soil will not be harmed. Okay? We have some more points. I am rubbing out these points. The 4th point will be overgrazing. Overgrazing. In India, those people who keep cattle, they just leave their cattle at random wherever they can roam around and eat the grass and the leaves of trees, and that is very harmful for grasslands or cultivated areas. Clear? Too much the soil is being exposed. What happens? Overgrazing. Grazing is feeding of cattle on the grass. Clear? Repeatedly in the same area the cattle are going, what will happen? The plants die. They don't get a chance to live. And if the plant dies, the soil is exposed to erosion. Once it is exposed to erosion, we can't protect it. So for conserving this, or the method of stopping this problem is providing fodder to the cattle in the sheds or the stalls where they are kept. Means not allowing freedom to these animals to go wherever they want and eat. So this point is clear. Next point, cause of soil erosion will be nature of rainfall, and the last point will be nature of slope of land. Now these natural factors, we cannot do anything about the rainfall, so I am not mentioning any point there. I am explaining this. When rainfall is too heavy, soil erosion is very heavy. When rainfall is very less, then also soil erosion is very heavy. Why? Less rainfall areas have very few plants and the soil becomes very dry, desert areas. Okay, so again then also the erosion is very heavy. So basically moderate amount of rainfall, soil erosion will be moderate. Coming to slope, if the slope is very steep, the rate of flow of water will be very fast, so rate of erosion will be very high. Gentle slope, less erosion. Clear? Now, take down the other points under methods of